Chapter 36. I feel like I'm on one of those nature shows. The timid gazelle sipping water from a stream, seemingly unaware of danger lurking nearby. Tommy, of course, is the hungry, huge lion. Everyone knows what happens in those shows. The gazelle makes a desperate run for it, but ends up getting eviscerated. I check my watch and drum my fingers lightly on the desk. The gazelle stands alone in the clearing, hoping the lion doesn't notice him. Something bonks off the back of my head. My body stiffens. The lion has marked its prey. Another bonk. This one hits my ear. 2 balls of paper lie on the floor beside me. Great, now I'm going to get in trouble for leaving trash. I turn in time for a ball of paper to hit me on the cheek. I give Tommy the fiercest look I can muster. Tommy mouths, "Sorry." "Yeah, right, jerk." On Tommy's desk, there's an arsenal of paper balls. I face front, sink low in my seat, and pray that something shiny will distract him. Why does detention last so long? That's when I feel the next bonk on my neck. Hello, little help here. Another bonk, and another. I sink so low that only my head is still above the chair. The gazelle tries to blend in with the environment, making himself less of a target. Will the lion be fooled? I feel a bunch of bonks at once. Bonk, bonk, bonkety bonk, bonk, bonk. Some girl laughs out loud. I'm sure this will inspire the teacher to at least look up from the paper she's grading. It doesn't. There are balls of paper all around my desk. Evidence. I clear my throat as though there's something stuck in it. The gazelle makes a desperate attempt to summon help from a larger, stronger gazelle. That's when something hard hits me on the back of the head. There's an eraser on the floor. A fat, pink eraser. What's next? An electric pencil sharpener? I clear my throat more loudly. Tommy kicks my chair, but I don't pay attention. The teacher glares at me. "Do you need something, David Goldberg?" "Greenberg," I say, correcting her. "No, I'm fine." The teacher walks over and kicks one of the paper balls. "What's all this trash around your desk?" I shrug. Tommy Murphy did it. Tommy Murphy, Tommy Murphy. "Pick it up," she says. "Me?" I touch my chest. She nods. Tommy snickers. "And you," she says, tapping on Tommy's desk. "You must love coming here, because you'll be visiting me every day for the rest of the week. Now apologize to Mr. Goldberg." I was kidding around," Tommy stammers. "Really, we're just..." "Apologize," the teacher barks, "or you'll get a month of detentions." Tommy sinks low in his seat, shoots me a killer stare, and mutters, "Sorry, Goldberg." "Good," the teacher says and walks back to her desk, "and that floor had better be cleaned up." When her back is turned, Tommy slaps me on the head. Against my better judgment, I swivel and face him. He locks eyes with me, then slides a finger slowly across his neck. The gazelle realizes he's in grave danger, but can't find an escape route. I slip out of my seat and pick up the wads of paper and the eraser. I think of throwing the eraser away, but I put it on Tommy's desk instead as a peace offering. "Please don't kill me." Tommy throws it at my forehead. Bonk! I take a deep breath, turn and dump the paper balls into the trash can. By the time the bell finally buzzes and I bolt to math class, I'm sure I have a red mark in the middle of my forehead and a death threat hanging over me. The gazelle manages to escape to safety. Momentarily.